Hi, welcome to Best Technologies. Today we're going to see how we use dialog box or alert boxes using JavaScript. What are the various methods we have to trigger alert boxes, or I will show you like how to use alert boxes. Okay, so JavaScript supports three important types of dialog boxes. These dialog boxes can be used to raise or to display alert boxes to the user, or to get the confirmation on any input. Example, if you want to delete a data, so we'll be having OK or cancel button. So this kind of confirmation boxes we can display using JavaScript. Also, to have a kind of input for user, so here we'll be discussing about each and every dialog box. So we'll see the dialog boxes types one by one. So first we'll be showing window.alert some text. So this is the normal syntax to display the text whatever we are entering inside the double quotes, so it will be displayed on the browser. So here you can see I am having a function called my function. Inside I am giving in a alert box, normal alert. We can give, I am giving here Best Technologies. So when the button is triggered, this JavaScript method will be called, and then inside I am returning a alert box. So this alert box will be displayed. So it will be display Best Technologies. Now I will be telling how to use confirmation dialog box. A confirmation dialog box is mostly used to take user content of any option. It displays a dialog box with two buttons. Example like cancel or OK. If the user click on the OK button, meaning that will get the output as a true. When the user clicks on the cancel button, then the JavaScript returns false. So you can use the confirmation dialog box whenever you want to get the confirmation from the user. So this is the syntax for the confirm button, window.confirm. So inside the double quotes whatever the text you are giving, so it will be displayed to the user. So see here I am writing a JavaScript function called my function. Here I am writing a condition: if a confirm button is triggered with a press a button, then the text is you pressed OK. Then in else condition you have pressed a cancel. So using I can get this value using this inner.htable.text. So this is the way confirmation box works. Now we are seeing a prompt dialog box. The prompt dialog box is very useful when you want to pop up a text box to the user input. Thus, it enables to interact with the user. The user need to fill in the field and then click OK. This dialog box is displayed using a method called prompt, which takes two parameters. Example, a label which you want to display in the text box, and a default string to be displayed in the text box. This dialog box has two buttons like the confirmation box. So here the two buttons will be OK and cancel. If the user clicks OK, the window method prompt will return the entered value from the text box. If the user clicks the cancel button, the window method will returns null. So here is the syntax for prompt. So like window.prompt, then what are the syntax you have to give, then it will be displayed, and then what is the default text you have to show. So here in example you can see my function where the person prompt please enter your name Harry Potter. So like if the user is entering the value, so I will be getting the value called Harry Potter. So but in case the user enters null, the user will be cancel the prompt. And then if the user enters, so I will be getting this value, and then this output will be displayed like, hello Harry Potter, how are you today? So like based on the input which the user enters, this behaves the output in a display. Thanks for watching this video.